Okay, we started finding the angle between the curves in the last video. Let us see some more problems. Find the angle between x square plus 3y is equal to 3, x square minus y square plus 25 is equal to 0. Okay, first you have to find point of intersection. Okay, so here x square, what is the curve? X square plus 3y is equal to 3 plus 25. So put x square here, sir. From this, x square is equal to 3 minus 3y. Put this value here, right? So what will happen? X square plus 3y is equal to 3. So this 3y will come here. So 3 minus 3y minus x square minus y square plus 25. So this becomes minus 3y minus y square plus 28 is equal to 0, right? So remove the minus sign. So what will happen? Y square plus 3y minus 28 is equal to 0. 7 into 4 is 28. 7 minus 4 is 3. So y square plus 7y minus 4y minus 28 is equal to 0. Y common, y plus 7 minus 4 common, y plus 7 is equal to 0. Y minus 4 into y plus 7 is equal to 0. Right? So y minus 4 is equal to 0 or y plus 7 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 4 or y is equal to minus 7. Therefore, here x square is equal to 3 minus 3y. So x square is equal to 3 minus 12, which is minus 9. I am putting y is equal to 4. So this is not possible. Next step. X square is equal to 3 into minus 7. So x square is equal to 3 plus 21, 24. So x is equal to root of 24, which is 4 into 6, 2 root 6. So what is the x value? 2 root 6. So I have substituted x value. Therefore, what is the point of intersection? 2 root 6 comma minus 7. Right? Now, so point of intersection we got. Next thing is, we have to find the derivatives now. Okay, so 2x differentiate with respect to x. 2x plus 3 into dy by dx is equal to 0. 3 into dy by dx is equal to minus 2x. dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by 3. What is the point? 2 root 6 comma minus 7. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus 2 into 2 root 6 by 3, which is minus 4 root 6 by 3. This is m1. Next one. What is the second equation? So for x square minus y square plus 25 is equal to 0. So differentiate with respect to x plus 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x minus 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0. So, minus 2y into dy by dx is equal to minus 2x. Minus minus will get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled. X by y. What is the point? 2 root 6 comma minus 7. Therefore, minus 7. That is, which is m2. You got m1, m2. So what we have to do? So point of intersection we got. Substitute the values now. Therefore, what is the tan theta formula? m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. What is m1 we got? Minus 4 root 3 by minus 4 root 6 by 3. What is m2? Minus 2 root 6, so plus by 7 by 1 plus m1 m2. m1 is by 3 and minus 2 root 6 by 7 more or less. So what will happen? 21 is the LCM in the numerator, so this becomes minus 28 root 6 here plus 6 root 6 by LCM is 21 plus 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is 8, root 6 into root 6 is 6, 8 into 6 is 48 by 21. Cancel 21. So what will happen now? This will be modulus is there, tan theta is equal to 22 root 6 by 49, right? This angle. Or theta is equal to tan inverse of 22 root 6 by 49. Okay, simplification, sir. Note down this. Okay, here small mistake is there. It is 21 plus 48 is 69. It is 69, right? 21 plus 48 is 69, so it becomes 69. Next, again. Find angle between the x square is equal to 2 into y plus 1, y is equal to 8 by x square plus 4. So first we write therefore put x square value here. What I mean by this? Y is equal to 8 by plus 4. 4. So what will happen? Y is equal to 8 by 2y plus 6. Cross multiply this. So 2y square plus 6y is equal to 8. Right? So 2y square plus 6y minus 8 is equal to 0. Cancel with 2 table. Y square plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Factorization. 0. Y common. So y plus 1 into 0. 4. Okay, y value minus 1. So x square is equal to 2 into y plus 1. So x square is equal to 2 into minus 1 plus 1, 0. So x is equal to 0. So what is the P point? 0 comma minus 1. Again x square is equal to what, sir? 2 into y plus 1. So 4 plus 1. X square is equal to 10. X is equal to root 10. So what is the Q point? Root 10 comma 1, 4. So what I have done? I got 2 points. Okay. We'll take the first point. Okay. Now we got P point, Q point. Okay. Note down up to here. Okay. Now look at here, there is a small mistake. I am writing again. Now small mistake is there. Here. Here plus 3y, no? So minus, here write plus 4y minus y. So plus 4 minus 1 plus 4. Here y minus 1 y plus 4. So y is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 4. So if you take y is equal to 1, this becomes 2 into 1 plus 1, which is 4. So x is equal to 2. So what is the point? 2 comma 1. Again, there is a mistake, sir. This video you have to take care. Okay. So again, y is equal to minus 4. X square to minus 4 plus 1. X square is equal to minus 6. So which is not possible. So what is our point? Only p point will come. 2 comma 1. Please note down. We have to find the m1 and m2. Okay. Now look at here. X square is equal to 2y plus 2. Differentiate with respect to x. So x square derivative 2x, 2 into y derivative 1 into dy by dx plus 0. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 2x by 2, which is x. Because 2 will divide, x 2 will get cancelled. Therefore, dy by dx at p point, what is the p point? 2 comma 1. Okay, is equal to what, sir? 2, which is m1. Because x value is 2, sir. This is the value which we got. Okay, next then, sir, look at the next one. What is the next one? Y is equal to 8 by x square plus 4. Differentiate with respect to x. Which formula? U by v formula. V square. So x square plus 4 whole square. So 8 derivative into x square plus 4 plus into 8. So dy by 8 derivative 0. This will be 2x into 8 by x square plus 4 whole square. That is minus 16x by whole square. So dy by dx at p point. What is the p point? 2 comma 1. X is replaced by 2. So it is minus 32 by 2 square is 4 plus 4 whole square. So this becomes minus 32 by 64 minus 1 by 2. It is m2. Right? So we got m2, we got m1. What is the tan theta formula? By m2. So what is the m1? 2 minus of m2 means plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2. Right? 2 into 1 by minus 1 by 2. So this becomes 5 by 2 by 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 0. Right? So what is happening here? m1, m2. What is the m1? 2. m2 is minus 1 by 2. Right? So this becomes what? Tan anything by 0 is what, sir? 0. Sorry, infinity. Anything by 0 is what? Infinity. So tan theta is equal to infinity means theta is equal to 90 degrees. Because tan 90 is infinity. Okay. Please note down this. Okay, next one. It says find the angle between 2x 2y square minus 9x is equal to 0. 3x square plus 4y is equal to 0 in the fourth quadrant. Okay, specifically some fourth quadrant he said. We'll see what is the meaning of that. Now, first point of intersection 0, 0. From this 2y square is equal to 9x. So, x is equal to 2y square by 9. Put this x value here. What on by this? 3 into whole square plus 4y. అంటే ఈ x value ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసాను సార్. సో 3 into 5 by 81 plus 4y is equal to 0. Okay, 3 will get cancelled 27 times. 4 power y power 4 by 27 plus 4y is equal to 0. So LCM 4. So 108 y by 27 is equal to 0. So is equal to 0. Okay, so 4y common, y cube plus 27 is equal to 0. So what I have done, I have taken 4y common, y cube plus 27. So 0. What is the y value? 0, or y cube is equal to minus 27, which is minus 3 whole cube. So what is the y value? Minus 3, right? So we got y value, these values. So y is equal to 0. What is that we got? X is equal to 2y square by 9. So y value is 0, so this becomes 0. So x is equal to 0. Therefore P point is 0 comma 0. Again y is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to 2 into minus 3 whole square by 9. So 3 square is 9, 9 will get cancelled, x is equal to 2. So what is the Q point? 2 comma minus 3. Now you know very well, in coordinate system, this is the fourth quadrant, sir. In fourth quadrant, y is a negative, x is a positive. So this is the origin. But what he says, fourth quadrant antunnadu sir, ante which point we have to consider? X is equal to positive unnadi, y is equal to negative unnadi. So x is equal to positive is 2 comma minus 3. Therefore, since it is in the fourth quadrant, x should be positive, y should be negative. Therefore Q point 2 comma minus 3 is the point required. We should not consider origin. Origin తీసుకోకూడదు సార్, ఓన్లీ ఫోర్త్ క్వాడ్రంట్ అంటే క్యూ పాయింట్ కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు కన్సిడర్ దేర్ ఆర్ 2 పాయింట్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్, ఓన్లీ కన్సిడర్ 2 comma minus 3. ప్లీజ్ నోట్ డౌన్. We have to find M1 and M2, right? Now Q point we have considered, reason is I told you, fourth quadrant. Now what are the equations? So derivative. So 2 into 2y into dy by dx minus 9 is equal to 0 is equal to 9, 4y. At Q point, I have told Q points are 2 comma minus 3. So 2y by dx is equal to 9 by 4 into minus 3. 9 by, this will get cancelled, minus 3 by 4, M1. Again is equal to 0. So differentiate with respect to x. 6x plus 4 into dy by dx is equal to 0. So minus 6x dy by dx is equal to minus 6x by 4 at Q 2 comma minus 3. So what will happen? Dy by dx is minus 12 by 4 minus 3 M2. So you got M1, M2. Again formula application. What is M1? 3 by 4. M2 minus 3. So minus of minus plus by 1 plus M1 into minus 3 modulus. So 4 is LCM by minus of minus is plus. So 4 plus 9 by 4 plus 9 by 4. Cancel. So this is 9 by 13. So tan theta is equal to 9 by 13. Theta is equal to 9 by 13. Alright. So fourth quadrant means x is a positive, y is a negative. That concept you have to apply. Okay. Please note of this. Okay. What is the question? Show that the curves y square is equal to 4 into x plus 1 and y square is equal to 36 into 9 minus x intersect orthogonally. Here orthogonally means theta is equal to 90. That is m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. We know very well, if lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes should be equivalent to minus 1. So this we have to prove, means we have to find out m1 and we have to find out m2, and m1 m2 should be equivalent to minus 1. This is what we have to prove. Means again we have to do all the concept, but here in the last we should not write tan theta sir. What you have to do, m1 m2 you have to multiply. If you get minus 1, you have to say it is orthogonal. So again, understood here, point of intersection. Same method sir, only last lo statement marustunnam. Okay, so y is equal to x plus 1. Okay, and y square is equal to 36 into 9 minus 1. Both are y square only. So 4 into x plus 1 is equal to 36 into 9 minus x. So cancel, 4 ones are 4 nines are. X plus 1 is equal to 81 minus 81x. Bring here, sorry, 9x. Bring 9x this side. 10x is equal to 81 minus 8, 80. So x is equal to 8. Therefore, y square is equal to 4 into x plus 1. Y square is equal to 8 plus 1, 9. Y square is equal to 36. Y is equal to 6. Here we are saying only for this problem we write plus or minus. So P point is 8 comma 6. Q point is 8 comma minus 6. 2 points we consider. Okay, here plus or minus 6 last sir, because he says condition is asking orthogonally. That's why you are taking plus or minus. If we simply ask angle, only we consider plus sign. This is very, very important. So we got point of intersection. Now y square is equal to 4 into x plus 1. That is 4x plus 4. Ikkada derivative cheyali sir. So point of intersection is over. So differentiate with respect to x. 2y into dy by dx, 4 into 1. So dy by dx is equal to 4 by 2y. At P point, what is the P point? 8 comma 6. So dy by dx 4 by 12, which is 1 by 3. This is m1. Okay, again y square is equal to 36 into 9 minus x. If you multiply, 324 minus 36x. So again derivative is equal to 0 minus 36. So dy by dx is equal to minus 36 by 2y. Okay, at P point, what is the P point? 8 comma 6. So minus 18 by 6 minus 3, m2. So m1 is equal to 1 by 3 and m2 is equal to minus 3. I told you what is that we have to require. Now m1 m2 is equal to 1 by 3 into minus 3. How much we get? Minus 1. Therefore orthogonal. I told you m1 m2, what is that we have to prove? Minus 1. We have proved. Again simply you have to write at q. Directly you can write sir, m1 will become minus 1 by 3, m2 will become plus 3. Why sir? ఇక్కడ మారింది ఏంటి సార్ మనకి y coordinate change అయిపోయింది సార్, plus 6 is becoming minus 6. So what will happen here? m1 will become minus 1 by 3, m2 means sign change అవుతాయి సార్, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Again m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore at q it is orthogonal. At p, so this is angle between, this is 7 marks question sir. Many times he has repeated in the final examination, so please go through here. Again same thing we are doing it. Okay, right? With this angles are over.